Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha, what were we doing in our last class? Am I audible to you, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what were we doing in our last class?
We were doing word problems
Okay, for with after?
for comparing quantities.
Right. I'm giving you a few questions, just try to solve them, okay? Try to solve these two questions.
Yeah.
Done? How will you find out the ratio between 9 meter and 100 centimeters, Aisha? Yes, Aisha? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, we have to convert 9 meters into centimeters.
Right. So have you converted?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am,
How? 1 meter equals to how many centimeters?
1 meter equals to 100 centimeters.
Okay, so 9 meters will have how many centimeters?
900 centimeters.
Right. Right. Can you do it now? Okay, after 900 centimeter, what will you do?
900 by 100.
Right. So the answer would be? Yes, Aisha? The answer would be? 900 divided by 100 would be what?
And I'm still doing.
Right, do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the answer 90 is to 100 is to 10?
90 is to 10. What, Aisha?
Mm,
Repeat your answer. I was unable to hear you. Yes, Aisha, what was your answer?
90 is to 10.
Okay, isn't 90 and 10 divisible? Does 90 comes in the table of 10?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
9, 9,
Right.
10.
So the final answer would be what? If I
9 is
divide,
to 1.
right, 9 is to 1, okay? Complete your answer, then show me your notebook. Then, Aisha?
No, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, I'm converting.
Okay, do. Done? Just tell me your answer.
Ma'am, I'm still not done.
You are still not done. Why are you taking so much of time? Have you received any assignment?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Try to solve some questions from your own book, okay? I don't think you have revised anything. 9 meter to 100 centimeter, right? What do we have to find out, Aisha?
The ratio.
Right, ratio. So for ratio, what we have to do first?
For ratio, we have to first convert the 9.
What?
For ratio, we need the numbers to be equal.
Numbers should be equal or the units should be equal?
The unit should be equal.
Right, unit should be equal. So here we have meters and here we have centimeter, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
As per our convenience, either we'll convert this centimeter into meter or we'll convert this meter into centimeter. Okay. What is much easier? Converting meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter?
Meter into centimeter.
Right. So if I'll convert 9 meter, give it. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters, Aisha?
1 meter equals to 100 centimeters.
Okay, 100 centimeters. So 9 meter is equals to what?
900 centimeters.
Why? Because 9 multiplied by 100. 1 meter was having 100 centimeters. 9 meters equals to 9 multiplied by 100. That is why 900 centimeter. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what will we do? Now we have two numbers, 900 centimeter and 100 centimeter, right? So we'll find out the ratio between two, 900 centimeter and 100 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
So 900 upon 100. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Cut 10 for 1, 10 for 0. What is left? 9:1. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So for your final answer is what? 9:1. What was the problem? Why wasn't you able to solve it?
Ma'am, the converting.
What converting? Where?
Ma'am,
This
what you
step?
have to do division, to divide.
Sorry, can you repeat your sentence again?
Ma'am, I thought we had to divide.
You were dividing 9 by 100.
No, ma'am.
So
To convert.
what convert? 1 meter into centimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
You were converting 1 meter into centimeter, so 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then you have, since the number given over here was 9 meters, so we have multiplied 9 by 100. So that's why we it came to be 900. What were you doing? 9 by 100?
No, ma'am. That one I knew how to do, but the converting was little.
You meant to say this ratio?
No, the ratio I knew how to do.
Then what was the problem?
Then making it into 900.
You were facing a problem while making it to 900. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? We know that
Ma'am,
1
I
meter.
thought you had to do division for it.
No, multiplication. If we'll take a larger unit into a smaller unit, what do we do? Divide or multiply?
Multiply.
Right. So this was a this was a larger quantity. We need to have converted it into your smaller quantity. So what we have done, we have just simply multiplied with the standard value that was 100, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
Okay, note down this question. I'll give you another question.
Ma'am, I finished noting down.
You finished noting down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try to solve this question. Try to find out the ratio between 5 grams and 10 kg. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Try to find out the ratio between 5 gram to 10 kg. This question.
Okay,
Try
ma'am.
to solve this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we need to convert 10 kg into 5 grams, no?
Yes. It's up to you. If you are convenient to convert gram into kg, you can convert it. If you are convenient with the calculation of converting kg into grams, you can do that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Converted?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 kg equals to 1000 grams.
Right. Converted?
No, ma'am. Let me 1 minute.
Done?
No, ma'am.
Have you converted?
No, ma'am. I'm going to finish.
Done with the conversion, Aisha?
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the answer 2000 to 1?
2000 is to 1. What? 2000 is to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. What have you done? You have first converted kg into grams. So
It
1
is
kg,
10,000 grams.
right? 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams and 10 kg is equals to 10,000 grams. Okay. Now what
Okay,
have
ma'am.
you done?
10,000 by 5.
Why? What is first? You will write first number in the numerator and second number into the denominator.
5 by 10,000.
And what have you written in your notebook?
10,000 by 5.
No, it would be what? 5 by 10,000. Just write your first number in the numerator and second number to the denominator, okay? So the answer will be, just tell me the final answer for this, okay? Correct your answer and tell me the final answer. Done?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. What, Aisha?
is the answer 1 is to 2,000?
Right, very nice. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Always write the first number in your numerator, second number into the denominator, okay? Okay. Yes or no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Hmm? Okay, note down this question. 5 chocolates cost you ₹50. What would be the cost for 10 such chocolates? Okay, Aisha? Note down this question and tell me your answer.
100.
Okay. Try to solve it in your notebook.
Okay.
Done, Aisha? Unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Where have you reached? At which step you are, Aisha?
The last statement.
Last statement. Okay, good. Do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the answer 100 rupees for 10 chocolates.
Answer is correct. What have you written for the first statement?
Cost of 5 chocolates equals rupees 50.
Next step.
Cost of 1 chocolate equals rupees 10.
How?
Ma'am, 1 chocolate is 5 into 10. Ma'am, all of the ma'am, 1 chocolate is 1 into 10.
No.
Ma'am.
Yes. What?
1 chocolate is 1 into 10.
Why 1 into 10?
Because 5 chocolates is 50.
Okay, 5 chocolates is 50. So 1 chocolate equals to 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How have you calculated this 10?
This is show. I'll show you.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'll show you.
Okay, you show me. Have you done this? Okay, let's see. Aisha? Right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
Right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
How? What have you
Okay.
done? You have just divided the cost with the number of items.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Now what is next? Now it is your step that cost of 10 chocolates is equals to what, Aisha?
10 into 10.
Right, 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay. Got it or not?
Got it, ma'am.
Yes. Correct it over here. Write this step also 50 by 5. Okay. Shall I raise my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next thing is percentage. What?
Percentage.
Percentage. Do you know how to calculate percentage? We do nothing. Just see. What do you mean by percentage? If I say 1%, what does that mean? This means 1 by 100. Okay. Any value from 100. Okay. 1/100th of anything. 100th of anything. Okay, Aisha? For
Yes, ma'am.
example, in a subject, for example, in English. In English, you got 10 from 20. The paper was of 20 marks and you scored 10. Okay, if I ask you that what is the percentage of your marks in English, what will you do? Whatever is your marks, just write it in the numerator. Write the total number in the denominator multiplied by 100. Okay, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of observation? Okay, leave it. Just write another question. You ate 5 chocolates. You ate 5 chocolates from 10 chocolates. What percentage have you ate? Aisha, how will you do?
5 by 100.
500.
Because 1% equals 100.
So what?
So 5 by 500.
No. What will you write in your denominator? Total observation. Total of anything. So total of anything is what over here? Yes, Aisha? Total number of chocolates are how much? Aisha, unmute yourself and speak. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what have I asked you? That right, and whatever it's asking or whatever has been finished or your number of observation in your numerator, your total observation in your denominator and multiply the whole fraction with 100. This will give you a percentage. Is it fine? So the number was what? 5. Total number of chocolates were what? 10. So what will you do? Multiply this with 100. So what we have done? 5 by 10 multiplied by 100. This gives you a percentage. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 zeros are. So we have 850% of chocolate. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Another question. Do not write it, okay? In maths, you scored 30 marks from 50. Okay. Total number or total marks was 50 and you scored 30. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
And I ask you to find out the percentage of your marks in mathematics. Is the question clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how will you do it? Just write the total thing in your denominator. What is the total?
30 by 50.
Right. 30 by 50. Sorry, 30 by 50.
Cut 50 and
How will I apply percentage sign from this? Percentage sign will come when you will multiply it by 100.
yes, ma'am.
Don't forget this, otherwise you cannot represent your data in your percentage sign. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
5 ones are 5 twos are. What is the answer? 60%. Okay? Another question.
Ma'am, should I note this question now?
No, write that question which you will do.
Okay.
In science, you scored 60 marks from 100. 60 from 100. What would be the percentage, Aisha? Try to solve it and tell me the final answer. What have you written in the numerator and what have you written in the denominator, Aisha?
60 by 100.
And what is?
Into 100.
Right. Y multiplied by 100. Otherwise, we cannot represent our data into percentage. Okay. Sign.
Okay.
Right. Done, Aisha? Aisha, done? Unmute yourself and tell me that whether you are done or not. Yes.
Ma'am,
Not done, why? What have you written in your numerator?
60.
In your denominator?
100.
What else?
Into multiplied by 100.
Right. How will you calculate? 60 upon 100.
40%?
How? 60 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. Is it correct or not?
Correct, ma'am.
This 60 and this 100 is in multiplication form or is in division form?
Division.
This 60 and this 100 is in multiplication form or division form?
Multiplication.
This 100 and this 100 is in multiplication form or division form?
Multiplication.
Huh? This 100 and this 100. If only if only 100 is written, what do you mean? What is in the denominator of this number, Aisha?
1.
Right, 100 by 1. So this 60 and this 100 is in multiplication. This 100 and this 1 is in multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
And this 100 and this 100?
One, ma'am?
This 100 and this 100?
Division.
This 60 and this one?
Division.
Okay. This 60 upon this 100 multiplied by this 100. Just tell me that this 100 and this 100 are in division form or in multiplication form?
The division form.
Right. So does 100 comes in the table of 100? Can I divide 100 by 100?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer would be 1. So 60 multiplied by 1 is how much, Aisha?
60.
So the answer is what? 60%. Right or wrong? Note it down.
Right, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done?
Hmm.
Okay. If I ask you to convert a fraction into percentage, what? Fraction into percentage. For example, I have gave you this number 3/2. Is it in fraction form or not?
What, ma'am?
I have given you this number 3/2. Can you tell me that this is in fraction form or this is a normal number?
Fraction form.
Right, fraction form. Now I ask you to convert this fraction form into percentage. What will you do? What will we do? We'll just multiply it by 100. What will we do, Aisha?
Multiplied by 100.
Right. Just multiply by 100. Now what? This 3 and this 100 are in multiplication or division?
3 into 100 is multiplication.
And 2 and 100?
And 2 and 100 are in division.
2 is an even number. Is 100 an even number?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I divide 100 by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 2 zeros are. Is it fine that 100 divided by 2 is 50? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what? 3 and 50 are in multiplication or division?
Division.
3 and 50 are in multiplication or division?
3 and 50 are in multiplication.
What would be the answer if I multiply 50 by 100?
50.
50 multiplied by 3. What is the answer?
$150.
Right, 150. So what can I write here? I have a number which are in multiplication. 3 and 50 are in multiplication, right or wrong?
Right, ma'am.
If I multiply 50 by 3, what will I get? You have just calculated.
150.
Right. So the answer is what? 150 or not?
The answer is 150.
Okay. But your percentage can never go upward outside 100. Okay. Maximum would be 100%. The question is wrong. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
I'm giving you one more question. Just try to solve it. 1 by 8. Try to convert 1 by 8 into percentage very quickly. Okay. 1 by 8 into percentage. Try to convert it into percentage and you have just 2 minutes. What will you do?
Into 100.
Right. Complete. Try to solve it. 1 by 8 into 100. Complete it.
Okay.
Done?
No, ma'am.
How will you divide, Aisha? This is your homework, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Come with the proper calculation and write down your homework. Note down your
Ma'am,
homework.
100 100 on the left side and 8 in the middle.
Why?
Ma'am, I tried to divide 8 into 100. I mean 8 divided by.
1 second. What is this? Is 8 1 is in multiplication with 100 or 8 is in multiplication with 100, Aisha?
1 is multiplication with 100.
So the answer would be 100, right or wrong?
All right.
Divided by 8. Whatever comes in the denominator, you have to divide it with that number only. If 8 is in denominator, you will write 8 in the left hand side and 100 in the middle. Okay?
Ma'am.
Right. Note down your homework. Complete exercise number 8.1. Noted? Exercise number 8.1 and exercise number 8.2's first question.
Okay.
Complete exercise 8.1 and first question of exercise 8.2. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, Aisha. Understood? Do not come without homework. Okay? Okay, Aisha?
Fine.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can leave your class if you don't have any doubt. Do you want to ask anything? Do you want to ask anything, Aisha?